사람이 루기 칼로 편미미지 주섬집에 구통디디 비남디루 세밀레 다멜람기 In the western land of America, adorned in gentle God, bestowed with vast and deep knowledge, nourished by bounty, spared from toils or step, released from feeling any melancholy, I stand as a coil in humanity. I owe it all to you, my beloved parents. Sanujo arilo balo Shizulu jambi gonagen Nakubiti no yedensu Kashimbe seda dewami Kashimbe seda dewami Lidubi dulabe mago Semchobi tenala mago Bumi dekatsimidi Jepagen nigi kadeli Jepagen nigi kadeli As spoken by the wise, the child turns to aged parents. Likewise, as he too, my beloved parents, enter the period of old age, I move to tend, to honor, and to care, ensuring that you never rule. My love and service ever I declare. Rojitin kebi petande Dibusono Pemashidi Rajadobe Chegebidin Chimpamniko Chegebidin Chimpamniko Ooh.